How to apply for a job in Indeed job search app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to apply for a job on Indeed job search. So first thing you do is we go to the app, and now you will find a lot of jobs and jobs opportunities. After you choose one of them, you should click on it like this, and then you will find apply now, and you click apply, and after that you need to fill those informations about you and click continue and fill more informations. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.